Hey Zoomolinks, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Unifire most efficiently and what else there is interesting inside the workflow. So basically, you will always end up on this dashboard. This dashboard shows you all the content assets you can generate. And so let's just go through an example. For example, say like, okay, I want LinkedIn posts, I want tweets, I want maybe timestamps, maybe summary as well. How about a podcast newsletter? So it doesn't really matter. We're just going to select them and then we upload our source material. So you could upload audio, video, text, drop a YouTube link so that all the AI content that the AI generates is based on your content. So we are not trying to do the classic AI writer stuff where we generate from scratch, which can be very fluffy or generic. We just want to stay on the content you provide. So I found a little video about Apple intelligence is stupid, basically. So I'm like, okay, let's try this out. And yeah, you can drop the link here, just click on writing. It's a short video, so it's going to be very fastly uploaded and then obviously transcribed in the background. So fairly simple process. You then gonna land on the generation page where you can now, importantly, if you want to, enable this one for all the assets. It's basically, you could edit the transcript before you generate content. So you can, filter out the names, the terms that are wrong, because this is still something the AI struggles with. For example, my name, Maximilian Gutschke. It never works. It just never works. You click then on generate. You could potentially add custom instructions to this. And then we just click generate. In the background, it's already transcribing. And yeah, it's already done. So this was just a 6 minute talk, which is really short, but yeah, you can see you could edit speaker level, find and replace the usual stuff, from Google Docs. And in this case, we're just gonna approve the transcript and immediately move to the live writing. So usually this should happen really fast and write all your content. I'm going to specifically show you LinkedIn posts, tweets, and meeting summaries, because like meeting summary or like the podcast summary, that's just one asset. So it generates one asset, while you can see that our LinkedIn posts, for example, are based on a lot of templates we designed so that the content is varied and takes your entire content into different templates, different social posts that have different hooks and so on, so that it's just much more interesting to read. And while we wait, there's another interesting thing. So I, for example, uploaded the Apple Intelligence keynote, which was like a huge event, and it basically generated a ton of different LinkedIn posts. And you can see like this is the easiest way to enhance your iPhone experience. So it's a 1 hour 40 talk. So, which means obviously that, like in this case, you get a lot of tweets, like a lot of tweets. And it's still, I just uploaded this, so it's still writing. And it basically goes through your transcript and looks for different ideas to extract. And comparing it. They talk about the Vision Pro, they talk about all kinds of like AI features. And that's how the tweet works. The LinkedIn posts, obviously you get also a quite substantial amount of LinkedIn posts, also very long ones, exactly because of this. And if we just go back into this, you can simply see it's already done, finished. For example, the meeting summary, if you want a meeting summary from that. So it talks about the new features, the new AI. We have the summary. The podcast newsletter is always nice. It's just a very short newsletter about your podcast episode, for example, if you want. So that's 140 in 300 words. The timestamps, and the tweets. Still a bunch of tweets, even on the 6 minutes. And you have the LinkedIn post as well. And then obviously you can edit all of these things. You have an editor here, and obviously most importantly, you can share that with everyone, copy it, share it with your collaborators, and then you can work on this. And you can always generate, more LinkedIn posts, for example. If you're not happy, add a custom instructions to this, just generate all over again. So yeah, from a transcript, you can literally generate unlimited amount of content. This is how Unifire works.